Hello, everyone. Welcome back. For those who are new here, I am Umar, the founder of Growth Winner. On this channel, I share my learnings and insights on SEO. This is the third video of Link Building the Right Way series. In this video, I'm going to share with you how we find contact information or emails for our prospects. Alright, once we are done with prospecting, now we need their contact information to reach out to them. And as you know, most people use emails, so I'm going to share with you how we find their email addresses. Please note, we have created our own tools for our clients at Growth Winner, but these are the steps we would have been following if we didn't have our tool. The best tool to find email addresses is obviously hunter.io, but as we know, it's very expensive. So all the alternative options that I'm going to share with you will be budget friendly. The most recommended alternative of hunter.io is snow.io, which has slightly less prices, but guess what? I'm going to share the options which are much cheaper plus some freeways too.
Yeah, boy.
So let's start with the first tool, which is Softtech Lab. That lets you check 100 emails per day for free, and you can get their paid package that lets you check unlimited emails in just $50 per month.
Pretty awesome, right?
Here's how to find emails using Softtech Lab. Visit the link that I have shared in the caption, copy and paste the domains list in the tool, press Extract Emails button, you will get the emails data which you can export. The drawback of this tool is that it only lets you enter 50 domains each time, so if you want to search more, you can get their API key and ask your developer to create a tool. But I have to say, their support is very bad. They don't reply on time. Snow.io is recommended if you don't want to face this issue. The second way of finding contact information is by going through their social media about section. Most people mention their email addresses there. Here are the examples of YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Again, this seems very labor intensive, and it is, but we do it only for the prospects that are gold and we really want to find their contact information, such as in the case of reaching out to an influencer or a non-journalist of big publication. In short, where we get the major benefit, not the prospect. So we want to put our best effort into getting in touch with them. So for a general guest posting campaign, we are not gonna put much time on that since the volume of prospects is high in that case. The third method is email permutations. In this method, we try various potential email formats if we have their first and last name. You know where to get their first and last name. It's author pages. Check out the examples. You see, with this technique, we are guessing their email. This strategy is mainly used when tools were not able to find the emails as the email was not listed anywhere online. So we want to get our idea which could be their email. So once you have found their emails, now it's time to verify those emails. It's important because you don't want your emails to go in void, do you?
No. Sure.
So here are the two methods that you can use to verify emails. The first method is verifying emails using Google Sheets, and it's free. Here's how you can do it. Create a sheet and put all of your extracted emails there. Select the emails column by clicking on the column header, right click to get the pop-up menu. In pop-up menu, select Smart Tips and then convert to People Chip. Verified emails will be highlighted with dark gray background color. The remaining emails are non-verified. The drawback of this method is it's very time consuming when checking with email is valid and which email is not. Plus, the accuracy of this method is not 100%. So that's where our second method comes in. The second method of email verification is Bulk Email Verify tool. Here are the steps that you can follow to verify emails using this tool. First, log into Bulk Email Verifier, click Bulk Verifier from the navigation bar on the left side, import the file as CSV by following the instructions on the right side of the page and click Upload. After the file is uploaded, select the column containing the emails. Now click Verify and you will get the verified emails list. This tool is pretty accurate and cheap. Honestly, you are not gonna get any cheap options for finding the emails and verifying them other than what I told you in this video. So now we have cracked the code on finding and checking contact emails, but that's just a start. Start in a sense that you don't want to be so happy after finding their emails. If you don't have a good written email, the prospect is not even gonna reply to you. In the next video, I will show you how to write killer emails to turn these contacts into leads. Getting these links is pretty much similar to getting leads. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any video of Link Building the Right Way series. Thank you so much for listening to me. Bye-bye.